Hi guys, it's Joey. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you are joining me today. I am going to be bringing you a plan with me using a DEK Designs kit called Breakfast in Bed. It is so cute, you guys, and I can't wait to put this in my planner. So if you're interested in watching, come along. Alright, as always, I am going to be starting off with putting down the washi tape that came in the kit. They have these really beautiful purple plaids as well as some sort of a florally purple lavender. I'm not quite sure what it is, but sort of a combination of flowers and leaves. And it's not lavender, but it's a beautiful lavender color. So we're going to leave it at that. And once I get the washi tape put down, then I'm going to go ahead and put down my headers, or I'm sorry, my date covers for each of the days. And gosh, it's been a while since I've done a plan with me for my Erin Condren. I forgot how fun it is to have some decorative date covers that go at the top, and it kind of just flows everything from that on down, and it's super fun. I have been planning my Erin Condren. I've just not been filming the past couple weeks plan with me, and so hopefully you guys haven't missed it too much. I have been doing a lot of journal with me's and a lot of Hobonichi plan with me. So if you like planner videos or journaling videos, then I invite you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. That way you guys can continue to receive my content. All right, so now I am putting down some date numbers that I have from a Chrissy Ann Designs sticker kit that I got from Michael's. It was full of a bunch of months and days of the week and numbers, and this has a pink foiling to it, and I've just went ahead and put down the 22nd through the 28th. Now I'm going to go over to the corner and I'm going to cover up the February 2021, and of course trying to peel that up. It did take off some of the paper, but no worries, I'm covering all of it up, including the February 2021. And then I'm going to go ahead and I believe I'm going to be laying down my headers. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and lay down my headers in the order of to do, today, and little things. I was going to switch it around, but then I decided to keep it for whatever reason. Anyways, so it's going to be to do, and I'm going to go straight across with the colors that they have the way it is. It's sort of an ombre effect that way. And I like it. I think it looks kind of nice that way. And once I get done putting all of these down, it does only have 3 colors, so I do have to come back with the lightest color at the end. And that actually leaves me kind of, well, I'm not short with any of the colors, but it does leave me without any of the really extremely light lavender color that is there. So at the end, you'll see all of my light lavender is gone. I've used all of that up, and then I will have just a little bit extra left over of the sort of the medium lavender and then the dark purple. And I do change it up just a bit this week. I have been doing where I have all of my work at the top, my home stuff is in the middle, and then my to-dos are at the bottom, and I did change that up this week. I did decide to do more of my work stuff in the, well, I say in the middle. It's really just if there's any appointments. It's not necessarily work, but if it's appointments, those are going in the middle this week, and then I will have my to-dos at the top, and anything that I do at home, the little things, is going to be listed in the bottom. So you'll see here I am putting down my full boxes in the middle, and I like to go straight across, whether it's putting my full boxes at the top or the bottom or whatever in the middle. I do like to put all of them straight across, because the check boxes that I use will also be essentially a full box. So I'm going to be, for the most part, I do use instead of a full box on the Sunday, I will use that as a half box of a checklist. And then Friday or Saturday and Sunday were sort of a scene set with this little cat, and it looks like you're kind of like cozying up with the kitty on the bed with some breakfast in bed. It was really cute. So I think this kit is adorable. And of course, I love the little coffee cups everywhere. And there's a lot of them. They end up having a lot of deco stickers that I apply at the end. And there are a lot of the cute little coffee cups that have the little eyelashes. I don't remember where I saw that. I think it was maybe Target that had that first. I don't remember. You planner girls know. You know what I'm talking about, where it's the adorable mug that has the little eyelash girl looking down, and I don't know. People were going nuts over them for like the longest time. And if you found one, it was, I don't know, kind of like a unicorn. Finding a unicorn. Luckily, I've never had like a real planner unicorn that I've ever really searched for. So I don't really know what that feels like, but maybe someday I will. I don't know. Right now I'm just putting down my sidebar. I put down the days of the week. Checklist is really something I'm going to use for tracking weather. And it seemed like everything was kind of crooked, so I'm trying to straighten it all out. So I peeled it up, putting it back down. So once I get the tracker, or I'm sorry, the days of the week tracker down, then I'm going to be putting down 2 more trackers. One is going to be for workouts, and the other one is going to be for my devotions. And I will come back in a second and put down a workout. It's like a header, but it fits perfectly inside of that little white space as a heading. And you'll kind of see what I mean by that in just a couple minutes. I am putting another full box down. It was the only one I had left, and I thought I was going to have to trim it, but it ends up that it was lined up perfectly with the edge of the page, so I didn't end up having to trim it, which was nice. And here I'm just going to go and put down all of my full boxes that are checklists. And I'm still trying to stick with the overall theme of the same color from top to bottom. And there will be a couple of places where I do change it up just a tad, but not enough to really like bother me. And I really love the full boxes that are checklists. I feel like that when I'm in my Erin Condren and I'm planning, I don't really like a ton of white space, so it's nice to have the option to be able to cover the entire box with a checklist and have it be in that ombre effect. Okay, there you see I did put a workout sticker on my tracker there. And the other one I'm just going to end up writing in just a moment. But now I'm putting down these like half scalloped, they're not really circles. I don't know what they are. They're decorative and they're like half boxes. And I'm putting them down on the days that my son is going to have Muay Thai. And I was debating on where to put the one for Saturday. I ended up putting it towards the very bottom. And I do like it actually. So I come back in and place down a work sticker because I do have a meeting coming up this week on Thursday for an IEP. And so I want to put that down. I am now going through and putting down my half boxes, and I alternate them between decorative and a solid color. And at first I thought I would go ahead and record my meals on this, but it turns out that I have enough meal stickers that I think I'm just going to record my exercise on each one of these stickers. And I will put my meals down on the meal stickers that they have. And that one's really big, so I come back and kind of change it up what I lay down for that day. It's a quarter size box instead of a half box. Okay, so here you see I'm laying down workouts, headers, to just kind of write down what it is I actually did for a workout. And I pretty much do that underneath each one of those half boxes. I know it seems a bit strange to put it there, but it's okay. And then at the bottom, where the washi is, where the washi begins, is where I'm going to be laying down each one of the meal stickers. And it's just going to continue in the same pattern, light, medium, and dark. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to add in a couple of decorative elements to help out. Oh no, first I want to put down. I was trying to figure out a way to put workout in there without messing things up. I think that's what I was trying to do. Yeah. Because I didn't have quite enough of the workout stickers since I used the other one over on the side. I wasn't really thinking about it. It's no big deal though. I ended up moving that one to Thursday and putting the other one on Sunday, I believe. Yeah. And that just lets me rest on Saturday. All right, so now I'm coming back in and I'm putting this adorable little girl that has her laptop out, and you just see the back of her head, and she has this cute little messy bun. And I'm putting her down because I do have a meeting on Thursday, and then we will Zoom with family on Sunday. And so I'm going to stick her up here in this little white space. And I will come back in a little bit and write down our Zoom meeting. Here I'm showing you what I've got left over so far. And honestly, I thought I was going to end the video here, but I changed my mind. So then I decided I'm going to come back in with some of the deco stickers because I had totally left that off on the side and forgotten that I had this whole sheet. And so I came back in with all of these deco pieces and laid them at the top because I just really love the way that looks. I really like how it kind of fills up all that white space at the top, and I get to use all my cute stickers in the same time. So I do like to sort of put the larger ones where it's not going to cover up the day of the week, and then I come back in with some smaller ones so I know that they fit. And then I will come back and I'm trying to make some of them work. I have to come back in with this teeny tiny flower. And then I'm going to go through and put some of the larger pieces down on these empty white spaces. And a couple of the little sort of quarter boxes and half boxes that I have. I do put some at the top of today's and throughout the week. I think it gives it a little something extra. So I really like that. In a second, I do put that pancake down, and it's because, for Sunday, and it's because my daughter, who turns 4 this Tuesday, is actually going to, I asked her what kind of birthday cake she wanted, and she goes, pancake. So she wanted a pancake for her birthday cake, and I said, oh, well, we can definitely do pancakes for your birthday dinner, but how about we have an actual birthday cake? And then she thought about it for a second, and then she said, okay, SpongeBob. So we're going to take her out to have pancakes on Sunday, and we are still going to get her birthday cake. But I thought that was the cutest thing. She's like, I want a pancake. Anyway, so now I'm going to go through and I'm going to write in Muay Thai for each one of the days that he has class. And we missed Monday. It was a whole big thing. I'm doing this late, by the way, so if you can't tell, I'm trying to get this up. I did film it ahead of time, and then the voiceover, yeah, it just wasn't working out. So eventually, here you'll see I peeled a sticker up, and I'll put it in a different spot here in a second. But I do put that we are having Tori's birthday dinner out. And I'm sticking it down right there on the little half scallop. I'm writing down again another Muay Thai class, and I do have a few more little extras. I'm writing down, we have mine and my husband's anniversary. Our 24th anniversary is on Monday, and so I'm just kind of marking that with a quarter box and a little flag, I think. Maybe not. I am marking it though. And I'm also going to be marking Tori's birthday down, which is on the 24th. And yes, I do. I stick a little bow on there. I knew I did. And anyway, so then I'm going to also be marking Tori's birthday with another quarter box and another bow. And just writing in it's her 4th birthday. And I was kind of bummed, you guys. This year, Tori, it's her first year in school. It's just preschool, but it's to her. It's still school. And I had messaged the teacher and asked if she could bring in little birthday treats for her friends. And of course, I was telling them it wouldn't be food, but, you know, maybe like some cute little toys or, you know, like things that you get in a goodie bag. And the teacher messaged me back and said that we weren't allowed to bring anything in this year, which is so sad because of COVID. Ugh, COVID ruins everything. Anyway, so then I'm just kind of writing in things that we have going on this week. I did write down some of the dinners that we had and some of the things that we had going on. We're going to be doing some planner time on Sunday evening, and I always mark that. I'm also marking this with another little... I get my second COVID shot. So Philip gets his on Thursday, and I get mine on Saturday. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. I don't know if we'll have reactions or not. I've heard some people do, and I've heard some people don't. So yeah, we'll just wait and see what happens. Here I'm just marking down with these little stickers that were kind of like bonus stickers that came with it of this little girl. One's throwing money up in the air because it's payday. The other one's like holding her planner up in the air because it's planner time. And another one's like sitting exhausted on the floor folding laundry. All of those are me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you have a great rest of your week. And I will talk to you so very soon. Bye.